我哋呢個暑假喺聖淘沙玩得好開心，而家就 share 下我哋覺得最好玩嘅6個地方，即刻去片啦！
6 best places in Sentosa.
Number 1
Mega Adventure.
由呢度飛過去對面。
拜拜，拜拜，下次會收啦，拜拜。
呢個 buggy 超快咯，仲要冇攬安全帶，全程都係靠上面嗰個扶手嚟扶住嘅咋。我哋仲要坐倒頭車，好似隨時飛出去咁啊！
哇！360緊張啊 ！Is the camera on already? Yeah. Sit down. Outside. Okay, sit down. Outside. 喂，你住你啊？攬住你。你捉住我。有冇嗌啊？
有，我覺得一開始係有啲驚嘅。
之後另外有中間有一度都驚嘅。
我想講我隻腳踢到水。
你玩唔玩多次啊？點啊？玩唔玩多次啊？
我自己玩我唔係好夠。
試下咯，好唔好啊？
但我唔想自己行㗎。
點啊？激唔激啊？得唔得啊？晴晴？
Number 2
Speed Boat.
So we have W Hotel, we have W Residence, and along the aisle,
中途會經過啲南部嘅島嶼，
actually doing about 25-26 knots.
好彩嘅話會見到海龜。
Elon Musk denies the allegation.
Number 3
SkyLine-Luge Singapore.
第一次玩要行呢條通道，因為要聽佢 briefing。
你喺後面，咁我嚟啦嚇。
你帶路，你帶路，你帶路。 之後要搭吊車上山玩第2轉，呢個絕對係對爸爸嘅一個挑戰啊！
泳道轉咯，尾3嗰個咯。
我哋腳下面就係馬路啦。咁快啊！冇人嘅呢度呢條，我哋鬥快啊！Number 4
SkyHelix Sentosa.
我係你有冇驚呢？
嚇？
我係你有冇驚？
我先。
唔好扯我上去。
梗係唔會啦，條樓嘅
Rising gracefully into the sky, much bigger. As we continue our ascent, you'll notice we are looking where you'll find many of Sentosa's exciting attractions. Take the time to enjoy the panoramic views.
I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Number 5
Madame Tussauds Singapore.
買啲。呢個先。好似。兩個。
Number 6
Palawan Beach.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
好想玩大帽啊！
It's like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna
喺聖淘沙，我哋見到好多孔雀，佢哋完全唔驚人㗎。
to the party with a handle of Bacardi, and I pass it off to all of my friends. Oh yeah, she rolls up to the party in a dress that shows her body, and she's hanging out with all of her friends. Yeah, yeah, let's go. Yeah, she wants to play it like that. Look her in the eyes and she's looking right back. Feel the heat rise with the right contact. She's playing with her hair, so I know she likes that. Yeah, I can feel the beat now. All I wanna do is get her out of the crowd, and on the dance floor where the bass so loud, making my move through the room right now. She used to dance, but then she never danced again. Something in her is